Rational numbers are defined as any number that can be expressed as a ratio, p over q, where p and q are integers, and q does not equal 0. Brahmagupta also gave the formal rules for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of rational numbers. Rational numbers are dense, meaning a rational number always exists between any two other rational numbers. Irrational numbers are values like square root 2 and pi that cannot be written as fractions. Their existence proves that the number line contains gaps that rational ratios alone cannot fill. The first proof of the irrationality of a number was that of square root 2 by Hippasus, 400 BCE. It was a proof by contradiction. A proof that pi is irrational, as it was suspected to be by Aryabhata in 499 CE, was given by the Swiss mathematician Johann Lambert in 1761. Real numbers represent the total union of all rational and irrational numbers, forming a perfectly continuous and unbroken line where every real physical measurement has a corresponding point. Decimal expansions serve as a mathematical signature for rational versus irrational. Rational numbers always result in terminating or repeating decimals, while irrational numbers produce non-repeating decimals that continue infinitely.